Anyways, I just got done putting the ambidextrous parts on the build that I am building for someone. And the only thing that we have left to put on would be the ambidextrous safety selector and the extended takedown pins. But we can't use these because they sent me 308 instead of AR-15, so that's gonna have to get sent back. But I will get back to y'all once I put this piece in, and I will show you guys how it runs with these Troy Industries parts to make your regular AR-15, 308, or whatever ambidextrous. First, we are clear. We're gonna seat the mag. So what I added was an ambidextrous bolt release, mag release, and safety selector. So we're gonna test them out. Bolt release. Back to the drawing board. So we're back. I fixed whatever happened, hopefully. Mag is seated. Bolt release. Mag release. Both sides. Safety selector. Clear. Mag release one more time. Bolt release one more time. So, I'm gonna take this to the field. We're gonna run it, see how